How to share a live location on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to share your current location with your followers using Instagram Stories on your Android device. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner to create a new story. Following that, select a photo or video from your gallery or take a new one. Now, once your story is ready, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Moving forward, tap on the sticker icon to see available options. You'll see different sticker categories displayed. Afterwards, look for the location sticker among the options. Tap on location to add your current location to your story. Instagram will automatically detect your current location. Your location will appear as a tag on your story. You can drag and move it anywhere on your screen. Tap on it to resize or reposition it where you want. Additionally, you can also search for a specific location manually if needed. Type the place name in the search bar if needed. Once your location is placed perfectly, tap on Done or the check mark. Tap on Your Story at the bottom to share it with your followers. Your location is now shared on your Instagram story for everyone to see. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you share a live location on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.